Yo, welcome everyone. Today is a big day for the entire crypto market. Trump is about to announce something huge, and Bitcoin will likely experience an insane dump or a significant pump, breaking our major resistance level. Let's talk about this. Now, on the 4-hourly time frame, we can identify a brand new SNE channel, connecting our higher lows with a diagonal area of support, expanding this one towards the upside, and it really does look like we can now be moving in some kind of an SNE channel, and the mid-level of this specific SNE channel has been very nicely respected, and additionally, as of right now, the level is acting as some kind of an area of resistance exactly at the golden Fibonacci ratio, and also exactly at the weekly high-term time frame area of resistance at 86,000 US dollars. Now, not only that, not only did we have so many levels exactly at this specific area, but also looking right now at the liquidations heat map, you can notice on the weekly time frame we are right now having insane liquidations exactly at 86,123.55 US dollars. Millions of short positions are going to get squeezed, are going to get liquidated if Bitcoin in the next couple of hours does see another push towards the upside, just slightly above our recent highs, exactly towards our major area of resistance. So my game plan right now on Bitcoin is very simple. If Trump is going to pump the market in the next couple of hours and Bitcoin is actually going to see some kind of a rejection at this specific area, of course, I am interested to fire another short or a sell position with a very simple invalidation level slightly above the area of resistance, targeting much lower price targets. However, if the news are going to pump the market like crazy and we are going to see no reaction at this specific area, expect quite a significant pump towards the upside, directly towards our next major liquidations cluster. And this level is going to be once we are zooming out on the 2-week time frame, where we are going to notice that another major liquidations cluster on Bitcoin is landing literally exactly above our recent highs right here at approximately 89,000 US dollars. So our plan right now is staying very simple. Ideally, we are looking for some kind of a rejection at the golden Fibonacci ratio, at the volume area of resistance, at the weekly high-term time frame area, and also, as we said before, at this major liquidation cluster exactly above our recent highs. If there is a rejection, if there is a reaction at this specific area, we are looking for a very simple short or a sell position with a very clear and simple invalidation. But on the other hand, if we pump and smash through the level right here, once the Trump is going to be announcing some huge news in the next couple of hours, expect higher targets, expect another significant push up, literally towards 89,000 US dollar area, maybe even towards the top of this significant SNE channel. Now, additionally, let me share with you some even more bullish news for Bitcoin, why I still do think, even if we do see right here a major rejection towards some side, and we actually go towards our previous low right here, I still do think this specific year or Q1 2026, Bitcoin can still form another all-time high. Not a lot of people talk about that, but let me right now share with you what Titan of Crypto is posting on Twitter, and he's right now saying Bitcoin tends to follow the global money supply M2 with an average lag of 70 days. If history repeats, Bitcoin could be trading at significantly higher levels by May 2025. So this specific chart is as of right now telling to us most probably in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of months, we can be expecting higher. Even if we are first of all going to see another push down and then a bounce towards the upside, this specific chart is saying to us, do not look for any major sell positions at this specific area, because most probably another all-time high is coming by the end of this specific year, and also maybe even this specific month, because we also need to pay attention to the monthly returns of the month of April. But before we do talk about that, I would really appreciate for you to smash up the like button, because 1,000 likes are definitely possible, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Let me right now share with you exactly what potentially we can be expecting this exact month. And let's talk about right now simply probabilities. In terms of our historical data, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years being bullish for April and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years being bearish for the month of April. So technically speaking, or in terms of probabilities, if you look like that, the month of April for Bitcoin should actually be a bullish month, and we can still be expecting higher targets by the end of April 2025. Now, additionally, what if we are zooming out on the weekly time frame, talking about the Achler stochastic CG oscillator? This specific indicator is one of my favorite ones, and not a lot of people even know about it. And you can right now see we are still forming a brand new double bottom pattern, while Bitcoin is as of right now trading at approximately, let's just say, $85,000. Now, the last time we got this exact pattern, Bitcoin, let's just say, almost bottomed out. Yes, we did get another push towards downside, but nevertheless, it was almost the exact bottom, and we then simply continued our way massively towards the upside. So I would just like to right now combine the double bottom pattern with the hash ribbons indicator, which not a lot of people are actually doing. So if we go right now with the hash ribbons indicator, let's just say on the weekly time frame, clearly you can right now notice we are seeing a significant buy signal already being confirmed. Now, historically speaking, once we get a buy signal, usually we also see another push down. So clearly you can right now see we got a buy signal, we got a push towards downside. We got a buy signal right here, we got a push towards downside, and only then Bitcoin continued towards a brand new all-time high. Except, for example, right here in January 2023, we literally continued our way massively towards a brand new all-time high. So my plan right now, looking at this specific data, is very, very clear. We are forming a double bottom pattern on the Achler stochastic CG oscillator in a combination with a buy signal on the hash ribbons indicator. So definitely that means the bottom is very, very close, or maybe even in as of right now. So because we trade from level to level, I would still say if we are looking for a brand new position, I'm looking for another short or a sell position at our golden Fibonacci ratio. And if Bitcoin is actually going to see another push towards downside, taking out our recent low right here, similarly, what usually happens after we get a confirmed double bottom pattern on the Achler stochastic CG oscillator, and after we get a buy signal on the hash ribbons indicator, and after the new low is going to be in, only then we can be expecting another significant push towards the upside on the Bitcoin chart itself. Now, additionally, why I would really like to see Bitcoin seeing another push towards the upside, at least towards our major area of resistance of the golden Fibonacci ratio right here, is simply going to be once you pay attention to what other people are doing in the market. And maybe you're even going to be surprised. Higher lows are being formed on Bitcoin for the past couple of hours right here, while the CVD indicator is clearly forming another lower low. So what does that mean? Selling pressure is coming in the market, but the Bitcoin price is still forming very nice higher lows right here. Bullish divergence, bullish absorption, bullish Bitcoin indication. And that is why in the next couple of hours, I want to see higher, at least the golden Fibonacci ratio with the weekly, with the value area high, and also, as we said before, with the mid-level of our significant ascending channel. If then there is going to be some kind of a reaction towards the downside, I am then going to fire another short, simple invalidation level above the level, looking for lower targets. If we smash through the level, no reaction, I am not going to be entering a brand new position, and only in that case we are going to look for higher for approximately $89,000 area, which is then simply going to be another major liquidations cluster. And if you also want to trade with us and secure your free $500 trade, click the first link down below right now, register on Bybit, and after initial deposit, you're literally going to get 500 USDT possession airdrop. Now, additionally, go into the rewards hub right here, and after you're going to create your account and deposit only $100, and then also open a $10 position, you're going to get another 50 USDT completely for free. So not only you're getting a free $500 trade with the first link down below after you register and after initial deposit, but also only after creating creating an account and depositing, you're getting even more bonuses. So definitely take advantage of this before we are entering another position on the Bitcoin chart itself. Now, let me also talk about another very important thing which people are, as of right now, still forgetting. Overall speaking, we are still trading in a significant downtrend. On the 4-hourly time frame, on the 2-hourly time frame, doesn't matter on what time frame you're going to go with, we are seeing exponential moving averages being in a downtrend. That being said, 50 exponential moving average, the red line right here, is below the green one, which means an average downtrend is definitely present as of right now on the Bitcoin chart itself. So technically speaking, in terms of probabilities, in the next couple of hours, it is still better to fire another short or a sell position because we are moving in an average downtrend. And once again, remember, the area of resistance is the area of resistance until proven otherwise. And there is also something I commented only a couple of hours ago to someone who was asking me what I am expecting in the next couple of hours to happen with the Bitcoin chart itself, because Yakov right here actually commented, but if 88,000 will be hit, does it mean more to the upside due to liquidation of shorts? Let's trade from level to level. If 86,000 US dollars actually breaks, we can for sure look for the liquidation level, which once again it is going to be exactly at 89,000 US dollar area. However, note, resistance is resistance until proven otherwise. So once again, we trade from level to level. We are also knowing that we are trading in a significant downtrend, and also additionally, we know that our major symmetrical triangle could right now be coming to an end with our ETH wave. That is why I am telling to you, in the next couple of hours, you should really pay very close attention to what Trump is going to announce. And yes, this right here is actually happening at 4 p.m. Eastern time, so make sure you are setting an alert. If we are seeing a rejection or some kind of a reaction at the weekly, I'm looking for a short position right here. If not, expect higher, and most probably Bitcoin is then going to literally pump towards 89,000 US dollar area towards our recent high. Very simple plan, very simple invalidation level, and also overall speaking, we know ideally in terms of probabilities, we still want to see a brand new all-time high to be formed this specific year because of the global M2, and also because if you look like that, April historically has been quite bullish in terms of the historical data. That is why in the month of April, ideally, we want to close the monthly candle green. Additionally, let me right now share with you what is going to be our first local area of support in a case Bitcoin does see a rejection towards downside. Of course, my ultimate price target with our triangle right here, and also I would actually say with my short or sell position I'm right now planning, it is going to be the liquidity level below the recent low at 76,500 US dollars. However, the first local area of support for Bitcoin is going to be simply our brand new daily high term time frame level at approximately 82,300 US dollars. This specific level is a very small local support level, nothing major. The bigger support area is then going to be our recent lows right here. Both of them are as of right now acting as some kind of a liquidity level, and additionally they are having daily and weekly level just below them, and then additionally we can go one step further from the swing low back towards the swing high, golden Fibonacci ratio landing exactly at this specific area. So I would say like that, ideally we are looking to take profits along the way of our short or a sell position if it's going to be offered to us. Our first take profit, at least in my opinion, should actually be this specific previous low right here at approximately 81,200 US dollars. But ideally, I still want to see if the rejection right here is going to happen for Bitcoin to take out this specific low at 76,500 US dollar area. But once again, remember, I am entering the trade right here only if we do see an initial rejection right here with a clear invalidation level. In a case, we are then maybe even going to pump straight towards the upside. Because we trade from level to level, because we trade with a trend, I still do think that taking this specific trade is a smart idea. If it gets invalidated, of course, happy days for Bitcoin. Let's look for higher. Let's look for 89,000 US dollars area. Now, additionally, one thing I do want to mention for Ethereum. Ethereum Bitcoin chart right here has been dropping significantly towards downside and actually lost quite an important support area the other day, the monthly and the golden Fibonacci ratio. In my opinion, Ethereum in comparison to Bitcoin is still looking kinda weak. And yes, to be honest, most probably we are looking for a bigger drop towards downside towards our next monthly level right here at 0.0179 for Bitcoin. And yes, this specific area, I also do think it is going to be another major support level where ideally we are looking to convert from Bitcoin directly to Ethereum, simply because it is going to be a major support level aligning very, very nicely with the recent lows. And most probably in the next couple of months, Ethereum can actually outperform Bitcoin itself. But nevertheless, as of right now, we are still not trading at this specific support area, so we are staying patient, we are waiting for lower, and also as of right now, of course, the entire crypto market is waiting for what Trump is going to announce in the next couple of hours. Be ready, be prepared, and of course, if you want to trade with us, take advantage of the free $500 trade with the first thing down below after you register and after initial deposit, because you're also going to get some free bonuses only after you're going to make an account. But also, thank you for smashing up the like button.